Hi, welcome back. I'm Kathy.
I'm Robin.
And today we have something special
For you.
Yes, you may have seen it in the news. I saw it several places, heard about it on the radio. It is the Kentucky Fried Chicken and Donut Sandwich. So, I was excited to see this. I was like, oh, look at that. That'll be fun to try. Not available in our area. It's being tested in a couple markets in Virginia and in Pennsylvania somewhere. So I decided to take a play out of the endorsements playbook and recreate it myself. Nowhere does it say they're Krispy Kreme donuts.
Right.
But if you look at the photo here, they look exactly like Krispy Kreme donuts.
Just like them.
And if you look at the signage, it says "and donut served hot." So you know the
Krispy Kreme's
hot donut sign.
Yeah.
So I thought, and from what I could tell, and everything I read, there's nothing else on it. It's just the crispy kernel sandwich, the chicken, and then the donut. There's no sauce. It kind of looks like it in the picture, but it's the glaze from the donut dripping down.
Oh. So it's kind of like the play on like chicken and waffles.
Right, but just, sweet, salty.
Right.
Yeah, so I went just to Publix to get the donuts in the box. I thought about going all the way down to the Krispy Kreme, but that's like, 40 minutes away. And I thought, okay, what are the odds anyway? They're getting fresh donuts every day. They're not.
No. And how would you keep them warm?
Right.
So.
They're just heating them up and putting them on the sandwich. So I thought this would be fun to try.
Yeah.
It's simple enough to recreate. And I see these things and then they say, oh, only in certain markets. And I'm like, oh,
Right.
shoot.
So if it's in your market, you can go out and try it, or you can recreate it if we tell you that it's amazing. Is it going to be amazing?
Have you had their sandwich, the crispy sandwich? I think I have. Well, I had it with John when they did the pickle.
Right. I don't normally get a chicken sandwich from KFC. I normally just go for their fried chicken and fix it.
This is like a mess, as you can see.
Oh, of course it is. It's a donut sandwich.
I might have to cut this again. This is like super, super messy. Let me stick it, kind of like the donut burger.
Right.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, I will let you go.
It's better than I expected. I'm at a loss for words. First time, no. It's better than I expected. Like the sweet. I mean, I've had chicken and waffles before, although I don't usually like to mix those things. But I mean, it's not a bad sandwich.
I think it's actually really good.
Yeah.
I wasn't thinking it would be, but it actually is. I was thinking the donuts. Well, I love Krispy Kreme.
Yes, they are my favorite.
Yes. So, and they may taste a little different if they were super fresh, but like I said, I don't think KFC's getting them in right off the belt.
Yeah.
But it's actually really good because it's
It is.
it's the sweet and the salty, and the chicken's nice and moist.
Right.
And,
yeah.
they get the crispiest at the.
It was a good temperature. Like you heated it well.
Right. I did. I think I did it like in 10 seconds for
The
two.
donuts,
For
yeah.
two. Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I'm really pleasantly surprised at how good it is.
Yeah. So I would be surprised if this doesn't make it to nationally. Because it's just a test market right now, but it's actually really good. And you can also get this, the regular chicken, bone-in chicken in a basket with a donut or two donuts, or you can get the tenders.
Instead of a biscuit.
And get the tenders with two donuts.
Yeah. Oh.
So I think the sandwich is going to start, this, if you're in the area, it's like $5.99, and the combo's like $7.99. Not sure about the price of the basket. But yeah, if you want to recreate it yourself, you should. I got the sandwich; it was only like $2.99. But if you order this, get it plain because it comes with mayonnaise and pickle. So I just ordered it plain, and then go use some Krispy Kreme donuts, and there you go.
Voila!
You have it.
You have a donut chicken sandwich.
Yeah, it's actually really good.
Yeah, it really is.
It's good. Thumbs up for me.
Yeah.
Yummy. I'm glad we did this one.
Me too. Probably need to shut this video down and we'll eat the rest. Scarf it down.
Wait, but it's time for
Question of the day.
Okay, since we're eating a ton of calories right here, do needs to know the calories that are on menus and menu boards. Do they make a difference on how you order?
Sometimes. It depends on the day. And that's an honest answer. I mean, there's times where I'm like, ooh, I've really overdone it today, or I really overdid it yesterday. So instead of getting this, because I see the calorie difference, I'm gonna go with this. But it depends on the day.
Yeah. If I've totally blown the day and I was like, well, screw it, I'm just gonna eat whatever I want, then no. But most of the times I think it does.
It helps direct me sometimes, like, and I'll be just as full.
Right.
Usually I'm maybe not as satisfied, but I'll be just as full.
Yeah, so when they first, gonna start putting them on the board, I was like, oh, is that really gonna make a difference? But I really think it does.
Yeah, it does. It will. And there are times though that I'll dig deeper, and because you'll see like a calorie count of 600, but if you look at the fat, sometimes I'm like, oh, well, that's not the better choice. This is, even though it's more calories, like the fat grams, but it does sometimes. I mean, it plays a role.
Right.
Yeah.
So I did not check the calories on this because I don't want to know.
No.
So anyway, tell us, do the calories posted make a difference in your life? Let us know in the comments below. And if you try this, if you're in the market where they're selling these, let us know what you think and make sure I made it right. I'm pretty sure I did. But
Right.
we'll
Pretty
see.
simple.
And if you recreate it yourself, let us know what you think.
Yeah.
So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the red subscribe and the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.
Have a great day.
Bye.